Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and software prerequisites so pass-through will work. Enable IMU or VTD in BIOS because VirtualBox relies on hardware isolation. Without it, the host will lock the GPU. Once done, install the latest VirtualBox and the extension pack to get USB and device pass-through support and prepare the guest ISO. Then identify the GPU device ID with LSBCI on Linux or Device Manager on Windows, so you can map the exact device to the VM in later steps. You now build the VM for pass-through and attach the GPU. Create an EFI-based VM, allocate multiple cores and sufficient RAM. Pass-through needs resources. Use VBox Manage to unbind the GPU from the host driver and attach it as a PCI device to the VM using the exact device ID you recorded. Once attached, enable 3D acceleration in VM settings and increase video memory. This helps drivers initialize. Also set I/O APIC and nested paging to improve stability. These settings reduce interrupts and boost performance. You finish by installing vendor drivers in the guest so the GPU becomes usable. Boot the VM and run the official NVIDIA or AMD installer. Reboot the guest to finalize. If you encounter a black screen or device not found, unbind the GPU on the host again or stop host services that lock the card, then reattach. Make sure IMU is active. If problems persist, inspect DMESC on Linux or Windows Event Viewer for IMU, ECP, or driver errors. Those logs tell you exactly what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.